Hey there, students. Mr. Wolf here. I thought I'd check in with you guys since we are not able to meet for the next couple of days, and just to kind of give you a heads up on what's going to be happening on Monday, and just kind of go over a couple of logistics before we head into the weekend. So. Right off the bat, so you guys should have yesterday done the independent reading and filled out that book form. There was also that presentation for you to look through that was just how to choose a book and what access points you have to acquire those. So today there is a calendar for you to fill out. I'm going to give you guys for the weekend to do that actually, just if you need a chance to do a little bit more research and figure a few things out there. But that calendar is for you to calendar out your reading. So that's going to be done week by week, and ideally you're kind of chunking it out by the 5 weeks we have to do it. So you'll want to look at that and fill that all out. There's a couple questions at the bottom of that as well. And then, of course, acquire the book, however that needs to happen. So please make sure that you are finding that somehow, whether that's an eBay, Amazon, a thrift store, a digital copy, an audiobook, whatever you can find. And again, make sure that it's a book that you are really authentically interested in, something that you really has gripped you. You've thumbed through it a little bit. I know I've had a couple people saying, "Hey, I thought I want to do this book. I started looking a little deeper, and maybe it isn't what I want." That's fine. You still have a little window of time to make that choice. So that's why I'm really pushing for you guys to get that book as soon as possible, so you know it's the one you want. Now, before I get into Mondays and Tuesdays schedule, a couple other things. The formative assessment for Monkey's Paw has been all graded. It's been there for a little bit. I still need a little bit of time. I'm going to need some time, obviously, to do your short stories. But I want to say something about the Monkey's Paw. If you're looking at your grade there and you're saying, hey, I'm not super satisfied with what I have, I know I could do better than this, please let me know. And we can see about working something out and maybe give you an opportunity to add to it, okay? But you have to make that request personally for me to be able to unsubmit your work and have that happen. I know I've had a couple students already do that. Now, on Monday and Tuesday, we've got a couple of weird things going on, and it's a bit of a blitz on those days. So let me go over that. So you're going to have a reading group, which should be in the update where you found this video on our updates. So check to make sure that you know which reading group you have. Then check for the asynchronous work those days. I am going to be posting asynchronous work, so regardless of whether you're meeting me on Monday, you'll still have work to do. And for those of you who are meeting me on Monday, you'll be doing the same thing just on Tuesday. Now, you'll notice that we do have, I won't say a flood, but we do have a subset of new students that are coming, so we're trying to get them up to speed. You all remember how tough it was to get the ball rolling and to figure everything out logistically. We've ironed a lot of stuff out as teachers, of course, but these students are coming in and they're brand new, so we have a little bit of work to do with them to get them oriented. So I'm going to meet with them at 8:30 to 8:50 on both those days. And then I'm going to be doing this kind of staggered order. So you notice that 8:55 to 9:15 is my red team. Blue team is 9:20 to 9:40, 8:55 on Tuesday is yellow to 9:15, and then 9:20 to 9:40 is green team. Now, those are really small windows of time, so I want to make sure everybody understands. Please, please, please be there on time. We are going to be sticking with these groups through at least, I'm going to say at least, the reading of this next text to Seed Folks, okay? So make sure that you were there, and I can go over the details of the asynchronous work and other little logistic issues that you guys might need to know, okay? So, thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you guys on Monday. Have a great day and have a great 3-day weekend, guys. Bye.